What's going on, guys? This is Marcel Flores. Welcome to my channel, One Dapper Street, and welcome to another Quick Tip Tuesday video. This might be the shortest one yet. I'm gonna talk about jeans. You know how often you buy jeans and they fit just perfectly around the thigh, but then they're just a little bit too roomy when it gets below the knee? Well, I have a pair of beautiful dusty pink jeans from Paige on right now, and it's exactly the case where I love them up until the knee and then they have a little bit too much room. Ideally, you wanna drop them off at the tailor, but sometimes you don't have enough time for that, or you wanna wear them right away. And I have a little tip for you on how to do that. One thing that's gonna make them look more tapered just by itself is cuffing them. But even when you cuff them, you still have a little bit too much room left and right, and here's where the trick comes in. So basically, you grab a little bit of extra fabric on the inside seam, you flip it over, keep it pinched together, and then cuff up. That way you lower the circumference, and on the inside you can't even really see what's going on, so the outside looks clear, and it just makes the whole pant look more slim and fitted. And I've done this since I was like 14, I think. Just gotta make sure that you readjust throughout the day, but it works like magic and it looks so much better. And that's already it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This was actually in response to a few questions that I have been getting about tapering your jeans, and I think you should take them to the tailor eventually. But until then, you just do a little tuck and roll, if you want to call it that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon with the next video. Until then, stay dapper. Bye, guys.